Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing both devices. Enable USB debugging on Android or screen mirroring/AirPlay on iPhone, and install the desktop client. Plug the phone to the PC via a good USB cable for fastest setup, or connect both to the same Wi-Fi if you prefer wireless. Once done, open the PC app first, then the phone app so they can discover each other. You do this because the desktop host negotiates permissions, which prevents repeated prompts and speeds up the first pairing. Next, you authorize access and fine-tune settings. Tap Allow on the phone when it requests screen capture, and if supported, grant control. Make sure to set resolution and frame rate to balance clarity and performance. Lower values reduce lag on weak networks. Choose whether touch input on the PC maps to phone taps, or if you prefer keyboard shortcuts. Once configured, test basic navigation and a media playback to confirm audio routing and latency, because correct settings reduce glitches during extended use. Finally, use your mirrored phone. Open apps, type with the PC keyboard, and transfer files if the tool supports it. To finish a session, close the mirroring app on both devices and then unplug the cable or stop the wireless stream. This prevents lingering permissions. If you hit problems, try this troubleshooting tip. Restart both apps and the phone, switch from Wi-Fi to USB, and reauthorize permissions. This fixes most lag, audio, and control failures quickly, because re-establishing a clean session clears transient errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.